Well, this is a BSR turntable, model C129, and this is being sold as a replacement for your current non-working console or all-in-one stereo unit that uses a BSR turntable. They're all universally the same size and use the same connections. This one has a bit different platter on it, exposed metal, but it does have felt strips to cushion the landing of your vinyl records. I've gone through this, completely disassembled it, cleaned all the old grease out, relubed it. All the moving parts are cleaned and relubed, and it works just like new. And it also has a brand new diamond stylus installed. As you can see, all the old grease has been cleaned off. It just doesn't age well and gets sticky, and that's why these don't work. Again, this is a model C129, but it's very similar to most BSR turntables. It does have the mounting clips and the standard power cord input and phono outputs. I have it hooked up to this Panasonic amplifier. Everything works nice and smooth. This one has a Q lift, and of course the end of play automatic stop works just fine as well.